Wait, Copilot for free? Exactly. So a lot of people still don't know it, but GitHub Copilot is free for Visual Studio. We can actually go and use it and have all the features you already know. Autocomplete, asking questions, and now the amazing agent mode. You can actually have agents to write your code for you and vibe code a little. What I have right here is a dashboard. As you can see, it's a brand new account. You can click like on this little robot here. So you can see that we can click and chat with Copilot. I don't have nothing here. This account has nothing, repos, anything. But I can already chat with Copilot. So if I click here, you see that I can talk already with the Copilot. We can actually have some spaces, and we can install this on my favorite code editor. So let me get started on Visual Studio. And it's so easy to install. And I want to show you how we do it. So if you go to a menu and in Visual Studio, right, we have our installer right here, and you can click. And we have like the classic modify, launch, update. So we can update, but I'm gonna click on modify because I really want to show you what you need to have this installed. So if you want to make some changes, this is the way you do it here. So you can see here, I'll have our color editor, etc. But we can see right here, boom, Copilot. This is the quickest and the best way is to just enable Copilot on your net desktop development, and then you're gonna have right there, just click and install. However, we already have Copilot installed, so I don't need to do that. So let me go back to my amazing guidelines. So then let's start using Copilot for free. So let me click get started. And then we can see here Copilot is installed. And then I can chat with Copilot, and then I can start build with Copilot. And you can see here that I have Copilot for free. If you want to know more about the plans, you can click on upgrade and take a look at what the plans that we have. So we are using the free plan. So what do we have on the free plan? We have 50 agent mode or chat requests per month, 2,000 completions per month, access to some models. I really like Cloud 3.5, so I'd say I will actually do a backflip to have that when I started programming, GPT 4.1, and many more models. But I think we're already really good with Cloud 3.5 and GPT 4.1. And if you upgrade, you can get both the things for free, but a limited agent mode and access to code reviews, etc. etc. It's really nice. Then the Cloud Opus 4 is really nice. I really like it. Then the coding agent as well. Now, just remind you folks that both coding agent versus agent mode are different things. If you want to learn more, please read the documentation. If you're a student, you can get Pro for free. You can verify yourself and try to get a lot of the free things you have on Microsoft as well. Let me go back, but let's try to use our free Copilot. Now I need to sign in to my GitHub account. So let me go here in Visual Studio. Here I had like a Blazor app, very default, basic. And you can see here I have my account for Copilot, but I want to sign in with my new one. So you can see here that I already have my main one, but let me add another account. That account I should activate. So let's go and log in and sign in as Pablo Lopes demo. We have see a bunch of stuff, the gifts, etc. Needs to read something. Sure, GitHub can do all of that. Now I need to type my password. And then it's going to access action for Visual Studio. Just click open. Then it's going to pop up something. Don't worry, it's not the end of the world. Nobody is hacking me. Yay, we have our account already. So what you need to do then to activate your account, you can go here, set as active account, and then you're done. Congratulations, now you have your Visual Studio ready to use on some GitHub. So let me do some funny stuff. Right here, just click on this little robot, and then you can see it's gonna ask to upgrade, etc. Let's move the chat window. So here I have the classic chat window. Here I have our models that we have 4.1, 4.0, and so they're 3.7, 3.5. We here agent mode, what I want to ask. Here's our asking mode. Here have like the multiple models that as I told before. So let me go 4.1 here. Hey, give me suggestions on what features could I add in this demo. So there you go. I'm asking some tips. Okay, authentication authorization, form validation, file upload, state management. localization, a progressive app. Wow, it gave me so many ideas for those. Let me do a test. So I can go here and you can click on Solution Explorer. So here in the Solution Explorer, you can do tons of things. We here have our pages. So let me ask you to add a page. So here have agent mode, which is amazing. So add a page for, I don't know, calendar. There you go. Of course, usually when you use agent mode, you need to do multiple things better than this. Usually you break the task, do the back end, the front end, etc. But I assume that will be fun to try, like the very basic calendar. So now I'm gonna start to code for us. Here's our Blue Razor calendar, is updating our nav menu because on that part we have nav menu. It's going to build a solution for us and take a look at his works. Now you can see you have fully functioned GitHub Copilot that you can use for free, and that's incredible. And here the build will fail, and then it's going to fix any mistakes that may have done on the way. So that's a really nice agent that can do multiple things. And let us know how can we improve Visual Studio for everyone that is using Copilot. Here we are deploying, and tada, we have here a calendar. I hope you learned how to use GitHub Copilot for free. You can go to GitHub slash Copilot and activate on your Visual Studio. You're gonna have all the features you may need and use it more. I hope you actually learn amazing things about GitHub Copilot. Any questions, put in the comments and let us know. Thank you.